How to factory reset on OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to settings of your phone. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then you'll find search button located on top right corner of your screen. Go to search button and search reset factory or factory reset. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Erase all data factory reset. Then you'll find all these options: reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, or reset app preferences, or erase all data. In erase all data, you'll find your data all removed after it's reset. In reset app preferences, you can just click on app to reset, or to reset Wi-Fi and mobile data, only the Wi-Fi connected on the device will be removed. And that's how you factory reset on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.